Meaning of insidiously.
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 Insidiously. Insidiously means something is happening gradually, but with harmful effects that are not easily noticed. It implies a process that is tricky, sneaky, and dangerous. For example, a disease that slowly weakens the body might be described as insidious. The result of something being insidious is often that it becomes deeply rooted before people realize what is happening, making it difficult to stop or reverse. This can lead to serious consequences, whether in health, politics, or other areas. Therefore, it is important to pay attention to symptoms or warning signs, even when they seem minor or insignificant.